The HomeRight C800971 Super Finish Max Paint Sprayer is designed for a wide range of DIY projects, providing a professional-like finish on surfaces such as furniture, cabinets, and fences. This versatile paint sprayer offers 6 spray tip sizes and adjustable air caps, allowing for a customizable spray pattern and paint flow to suit any project requirements. With 450 watts of power, the Super Finish Max can handle thicker paints with minimal thinning, efficiently covering large surfaces with ease. The inclusion of 3 brass spray tips ensures superior performance and precision, providing consistent and high-quality spray patterns for various materials. The design includes a large 39-ounce container capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills during large projects, and a convenient cleaning setup for easy maintenance. Its user-friendly features, such as the built-in access door for air filter changes and a flow control knob, make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users.